Welcome back guys to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to use Afterpay for Best Buy. So if you want to shop from Best Buy, you want to use Afterpay, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. So the first thing you need to take note is eligibility. So Afterpay is available for Best Buy stores, but you have to have a valid Best Buy account as well as a valid Afterpay account. So if you don't have, you got to make sure you get those first, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now the first method is doing so online. So the first thing you want to do if you're shopping online at Best Buy, first you want to add the items to your cart, and then select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. Then you want to log into your Afterpay account to confirm the payment, and then review the payment details and confirm the purchase. That's pretty much it for that. And the second method is in store. So we go into Best Buy store and you want to use the Afterpay service. So the first thing you have to do is to inform the sales associate that you want to use Afterpay, and then you have to provide your phone number to receive a one-time password from Afterpay. Confirm the payment using that one-time password and you're pretty much set. Now please note the payment schedule. If you're shopping from Best Buy, on the first payment is due right then and there. So Afterpay allows you to split that payment into 4 installments, but right then and there you got to pay the first installment. The sales representative is going to help you calculate how much that is based on the item you're purchasing, and the rest of it is going to be split over the next 6 weeks. You're going to be paying every 2 weeks for the next 6 weeks to complete the rest of the payments. That's pretty much all you need to know. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you found it useful, then don't forget to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.